Hey everyone, so on Transact, we do have a functionality of multiple price on item. So in this particular video, I will show you how you can use that and how it will be helpful while creating the document. So let us go to our inventory segment. From all modules, you need to click on inventory. After that, on right hand side, you will see an option of add single item. Please click on that. Now, while adding an item, please check after remaining the details. Here you will get default price. Earlier also default price was coming, but we have added few more price option from where you can access that. Please click on this plus symbol. Now here is the regular buying price, wholesale buying price, regular selling price, MRP, dealer price, distributor price. You can mention uh, multiple prices here as in specific prices, and accordingly while creating the document we have provided a field as well from where you can select that. Let me show you by opening one document. So suppose I went ahead and I'm creating a purchase order. I will quickly select a supplier. Now go below, please check price type. Here I can select price, default price, regular buying price, wholesale buying price, and accordingly document will fetch the price from the inventory of item. I hope this video will be helpful in order to manage multiple pricing on item. Have a good day ahead.